So we talked pretty thoroughly about slavery. Can we talk about immigration? What was the view at the time of immigrants?
Well, I think you know the answer to that. We need to have all that stuff done, but we don't especially like the people doing it. That's
Mhm.
basically the well, I mean,
Oh, America.
the anti-Irish, and a lot of it is bound up with anti-Catholic sentiment, because the Irish are changing the nature of the country. The country is a
Mhm.
Protestant British country, and here come all these Irishmen, and especially in the 40s and 50s, that my Gallaghers came in the late 50s. They are changing the nature, and they take over. Look at them; they don't know their place. They're pretty
Right.
soon they're taking over cities, and they all cheat when they vote. We know that. You can buy an Irish vote for one drink.
This all sounds familiar, right?
The cartoons were brutal on depicting African American characters, but they also depicted the Irish as sort of simian characters, often with a jug of whiskey in one hand. I mean, there's profound prejudice, and prejudice against the Germans, whom they called the Dutch. That was what the soldiers would call the German regiments, Dutch regiments. And yeah, there's a lot of ethnic prejudice.